So in this video, you can learn how to set up a Linktree to share with your customers so they'll be able to keep in contact with you and to find your website, your details so easily through a QR code. Right, so this one's for the guys that have asked, how do I set up a LinkedIn page? So we're going to go to LinkedIn. There'll be a link in the description somewhere for you to find this. If you go to the Linktree, then you find it up here and sign up for free. And go to the LinkedIn page. So my little face is going to be on it. You probably won't have that. So all you want to do is go to this LinkedIn page and then sign up for free. Right, so first things first, you want to put your email in, which will be Ben, well, not in capitals, doesn't have to be in capitals, SPA392 at gmail.com. And your Linktree username. Now that's going to auto-generate from your email address. But if your email address is different, you can just get rid of the 392 maybe and just put Ben Sparks. That's already taken. So you've got to get one about Ben Spark. That's not taken. So if anyone wants Ben Spark after this, you can have it. I'll delete it. But right, so then you go ahead and create an account. Oh, you've got to put a password in. So you stick a password in. Obviously, that's for your Linktree account. And then tell them a little bit about yourself to make it more personalised to yourself. And this is also for when people click on it, it'll be more personal. So what's your name? My name's Ben. What category? Right. For your trade or electrical trade, or if you're maybe a plumber or builder, anything like that, basically business. Nothing else. Craft, let's say we're setting it up for electrician. So home improvement and maintenance, possibly. And you can connect your Instagram to it and your Twitter and obviously things like that. So you connect it there. So I'm going to skip this for now. So you don't need anything else other than that. You might want to go for that further in the future, but just start off with a free account for now. So join for free. Now you're all signed up, and that's your Linktree account. You've claimed your username with your email, and that's what it's linked to. So Ben Sparks392 at gmail.com. So we'll continue to the Linktree to set it up. Oh, and also you've got to verify your email with Linktree. So after you put your email in, they'll send you a verification link. Go over to your email and just click on verify, and then it will verify your account with Linktree. Let's refresh that because I've just verified it. I clicked on the other screen. There we go, that bit's gone. Right, so now for the appearance, you can do all sorts with this. So if you see over here, this is what it'll look on your phone, and this is what you're more than likely going to use it for on your phone most of the time. So where that B is, you want to change that image to maybe your own logo. So I'm going to upload basically a picture of myself. let's just say that fancy photo. So it's more personal to maybe a customer clicking on it. So he's going to upload a photo, and that photo was on my computer anyway. So that's uploaded a photo. That's what people are going to find when they come across it. And you can have your profile title. You can use that as, well, like I say, Ben the Spark, maybe. Something like that. You can change it to whatever you want, the capital letters, because sometimes username comes up in lowercase. So you can do that. And in your bio, you can put that'll give you like a subheading of your Linktree page where you can say electrician working in the domestic market of London. There you go. Then people click on it and think, oh, right, it's electrician in London. Well, you might be in Kettering, you might be in Scotland, you might be in Reading, you might be in a smaller town. It depends how wide you want to go with your sort of advertisements in a way. And then now you can create your own theme of what it's actually going to look like. So look, you can have different colors. So you want to change the background. Go down here. You want to change the background to maybe blue. Look at that, a turquoisey blue. Looks quite smart. There we go. That changes to a turquoisey blue in the background. And the buttons you want on there, we haven't got any buttons at the minute, but let's go back to add some buttons because then we'll see the size. So links. So the first link you want to add, because that's what you wanted to sort of go when you show people the QR code maybe, or you send them to this link, you want to add, they might just want to get in contact with you straight away. They don't want to check you out, find out your work or anything. So go to view all and contact details. So add your contact details, which will be in here, and you can put contact details in there, and obviously fill this out. Then Poulter, occupation, spark. I won't put spark in there. I would put electrician. It sounds more professional. Sharp. Spark. There we go. Position. Director or owner. I would put in there. Right. And if you want to get people into, obviously, email you, and that goes to Ben Spark. Oh, what was it? 392 at gmail.com. And then you want to put your phone number in there, 077. I'm not going to read out my phone number because people phone me all the time. People phone me for work, let alone privately. But and then you put everything else in here, maybe your address, High Street. And so they know where you are, basically. It's sort of transparent in a way. When are you open for business? Say you're open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You don't want to get calls all the time. And if it says on here you're open from 8 p.m. to 5 p.m., then fine, people can call you then. Or you can maybe put a little bit in there, call out weekends. So if anyone clicks on this, they'll know that you're maybe available at the weekends. So then we will save that. So then look up here is contact details. So let's add another link. They want to check out your website maybe. So you can add URL, which may be www.ben.com. I'm not sure whether that's a website, to be honest, but that's got up there. Right, so that's another link in here. Ben Jackson. Why is that come up with Ben Jackson? Poulter. I'm assuming Ben Jackson's got ben.com. Right, so this is another link, but you can change these around. Look. Hang about. If you go to your links, and obviously your first link, you've got that's to maybe your website or something like that. You can change them around. You can go to this little 6 dots over here, grab them to the bottom so you can change it in order. So you'll add another link, which can be www. That can be your Facebook page, but obviously put your Facebook page URL in there. Don't put facebookpage.com because it doesn't make much sense. But then again, you don't want that one to be the first one that your customers can maybe click on. Because once you put all your socials in there as well, they'll come along the bottom. Let's add a few socials in the settings. Add some icons. Say, hey, Threads is on there now as well. Look. Don't know if everyone's joined that or not, but maybe we want to use, say, Clubhouse. All these socials you can add on there. I should add all these to my Linktree. So you add your email. You can add your email in there so people can email you easy. So Ben 392 at Gmail. So add that to Linktree and see where that comes up on there. There we go. That's come up with a little envelope. So people can click on that straight away, and I'll show you on the phone how it all works in a little while. Right, and then add another icon. Say you want to add Facebook. There we go. You can go to your Facebook and add your URL. Let's go grab mine quickly. There we go. Let's add that in there. So then that's come up, you see down here with a little Facebook icon. So if someone clicks on your Linktree again, they go straight to your Facebook, maybe your Facebook page or your Facebook profile. It depends what you want to put on there. And then go back to your appearance, because you might not like that square look of the buttons. You can change that. You can change, personalize it a little bit to anything you want, I think. You can put your logo up there rather than a picture of your face. Or I do think a picture of your face makes people grow that know, like, and trust factor a little bit more. You have maybe got a logo, but I'd say, yeah, maybe the logo in the background of you, because then people can actually see you. Right, and the buttons you can change as well. Background buttons. Right, so maybe you want buttons with a shadow. And look, it changes all this over here. So when you click on them or hover over them, if it clicks on them, you can add quite a few buttons. I don't know the maximum what you can add on there, but you don't want to put thousands on there. So just enough for them for a customer to be able to contact you, especially the contact details. That'll be your main thing, because, well, they want to contact you to book in a job. And you can even change your font as well if you like. Change it to a different font, because you'll be unique. Change it to your own one, what you want to put on there. Oh, this is a premium font. Obviously, I couldn't have had that. There we go. Because you can go do extra features with a premium. Yes. So then, there we go. So let's go look at the appearance. So if you look along the top here, you can see you've got that Linktree /Ben Spark. That's my name. That's what sort of you share with people, and you can share this with socials. But then on here as well, you can, my Linktree QR code is the perfect thing. This is what I like to use to everyone. There you go, mate. Put your camera on that and you can find me from there. So you can download it from here to hopefully share on maybe your website, or you can screenshot it on your phone, because once you've set all this up, I think you can probably set it up on your phone as well, let's be honest. But you can set it up on the computer, and then you can make this as a screenshot. So when you are in customers' houses, you can say, yep, you can find everything on there. This is a great idea as well if you want people to leave you a Google review, because on your Linktree, you could have a link direct to your Google business account where they can leave you a review. And I do think that growing your reviews on Google is another advantage. It's a free way to get you in front of so many different customers when they're in that area and they search electrician, and an electrician will come up. So this is a good idea to be able to use as well, to maybe gather reviews on your Google profile. That's it. So right, let me do this on my phone. Right, so then you can tell a customer just to go to the camera, and there you go. That's your Linktree. Get on that, and they can go straight to your Linktree profile, and they can find all your details from there. Even say, right, okay, great, we'll give them a call, and they can call your number from there, and they can see where you live or whatever details you put in on LinkedIn on Linktree. They'll be able to see here. So that's your contact details, and maybe you want to go to your website. That's obviously not me. It's something about Lego. Or your Facebook page. You can go to anywhere from this Linktree. They can even go to send you an email if they want. So this is why I think Linktree will be fantastic for your business. And with these links as well, you can maybe add a photo for each link. You can set a little thumbnail. Like you can add your own little thumbnail to sort of characterize the different buttons on your Linktree. So something like that. Let's put that on there, just to see what it looks like. And there we go. On there, you've got a button, so you have contact details. Maybe if you've got your logo at the top, and you could have a picture of yourself on that one. Right, so on your contact details, you just got to make sure, I just had to find this out myself, that you fill in all of these boxes exactly how you want it. If you want the customer to be able to see anything about you, you've got to put this in your work or personal email, and then your phone number, whether it's a work or personal or even mobile, and then your address. You've got to fill out all the boxes, what you want the customer to see, and maybe a little message in there, like something welcoming, maybe open all hours, please give me a call for all your electrical needs, anything like that. Or if you're not an electrician, maybe plumbing, groundworking, bricky, plastering, I don't know, anything. But yeah, put your details in there. You don't necessarily have to put your address in there because, I don't know, no one uses post these days, but if they know that you're local to the area, it might be nice. So you don't necessarily have to put your details in there. And this is exactly what it will look like. And the great thing about this as well, when you share this to maybe your customers or even on your social media profile, you can see how many people have clicked or how many people have gone through. So one click, and you can obviously, these are for extra features within it, but you can see how many people have viewed your Linktree profile. So this, I say, is what would be a great idea to share with your customers for your business. So then, there you go. I think having a Linktree for your business is a fantastic opportunity, a fantastic step forward to get your business out there on social media. If you have any problems, feel free to jump into the Toolbox Talks for Electricians group on Facebook and ask any questions. I'll be happy to help. Till next time. Oh, and I nearly forgot. Don't forget to check out the Toolbox Talks for Electricians podcast, because if you haven't listened, you might as well. See ya.